Grand rising. Grand rising. Yes, man. Blessings and greatness and yeah, love to all. Especially bad mind people. Love to all. You see me? I'm telling you, say, the more on hate, the more on a bad mind, and the more on come talk on a shit or on a let out on the mouth. We are going to shame on the Gaza, go shame on the bro. World boss, my dad. Him a go shame on you. May I tell you? Yo, you see, if Vybz Kartel tell me, say, give me 3 years. You see, that's something where you, when you usually lick on and tell you, say, when I say, oh, like, what a fucking cartoon that they name Alice in Wonderland or Wizard of Oz with the gold road. And them say when you got the milk and the honey. If Vybz Kartel tell me, say, yo, I'm 3 years and you see me turn the whole place in the whole road in a goal. A goal ever, I gotta believe him. I believe him. I gotta believe him to the fullest because I know him I do it for real. And don't watch the process while going into it, while him accomplish it. Don't watch the process or how it might look sometime like, you know, like what typical average-minded people, things them get up every day and talk and tell left them a Jamaica for suffer. Oh no, go suck on a mother. From I come from prison, I not even go around my family them where me the left. You know, from my mother drop out, my family where I have, when I come a road come get Vybz Kartel, a 2 house cartel make sure some I have. We make 2. You see me? And I'm good. And it's not just a house. Him give me a home. Him give me a home. Him give me back a family. Literally. You know, cause I come a road and my mother drop out and all this and all that, and I tell her, say, yo, it fucked me up mentally, I'm not telling a lie. You see me? Even when we about to come out and them come give away, them come give away the psyche evaluation. And remember the day when the doctor man see me, the man say, yo, you know how long I want to get to talk to you out of everybody. I just say, name alone, I want to talk to you. And we done talk and him then give you the evaluation. The man look for me and the man say, yo, you know, say, you're emotionally detached. You're emotionally detached. You know, you're sick, you need to go. You're mentally. You see me? I say, I'm a good man, bossy man. You see me? There we did lock up. I'm going to see where my father gets sick, yo, to the point where him can't even consume food. You see me, dog? And the thing, I first time that I cry in a prison. Okay, I'm going to medical today. And I tell you, say it crushed my heart. Because I could have seen where Warders dead away. Be glad to see him in that state there. Because one time the man don't want nothing. Because it's like the man know say, yo, you don't want to kill me now, I'm not giving you a chance, you know. You don't want to kill me, I'm not giving you a chance. Remember, I don't like what we usually talk about. Oh, you're a cartel butler. Remember, me usually say to him, usually say, so, yo, I tell you, the man, yet, brother, all the man say, what me I do, I feel help get back my father and him strength, get back him strength and build up him back. You see me? And I think for him health, the man a fight. The man a fight for make that not happen. And then when him there work, him mostly work when I time over the switch power them have the cartel. The man want to laugh up with the DJ. And I usually get so irritated and him usually my father usually page me and tell me say them are where the hell you am. But I know that them are nobody, but that usually hurt me to see how them are going in the sense of Man, they don't work, on come work, so just do no work. Cause you do better than we, bro. You do better than we just because we lock up. I'm usually tell them, say, dog, the only thing you have over we is freedom. The fact so now lock the gateway and the padlock and have we in our cell. That alone you have over we, dog. You don't have nothing more over we, dog. Freedom you have over we. You don't have no body breathing. Stop going like, you see me, I say I cry. I want to see me I cry the day. And the man said, what you do? I cry really? I cry for Kartel. He man don't know what him said to me, you know. He man don't know what him said to me when him said that, but if I cry, I cry for Kartel. I tell you, there is so much more. I'm telling you.